In the initial days, we don't know how to work, how to execute our work. Because in the initial days of our working life, we don't follow any strategy. Strategy is something which we have to follow to keep ourselves in right direction. Right strategy everyone should follow to execute their work professionally. How the strategy was makes difference. If you have strategy, if you know what you have to do next step by step, then you never become directionless. At least you will be in right direction, no matter how bad the result comes, and no matter how bad your strategy. A good strategy is always become fearless of what results will come and follow a right mindset. Always make your strategy in that mindset where you give efforts to win, where is no shortcuts. What I want to say, in the first, you don't make any strategy which is huge. Follow and go step by step. It is the right approach. But follow a strategy for win in your life. The advantage of strategy. First, you will know what you have to do. You will be in a guideline. You become disciplined. If you follow a strategy which is universally good, which don't break any good values and good morals, then it increase the chances for you to become successful. You don't break any rule to become successful. Make your strategy is your concentration. Concentrate in your strategy, which always brings peace and improvement for you. The important notes you should write down. Strategy should always clear and clean. Strategy should always be small and ethical. It should always pure and from making from our good mindset. My motive to make this video, I want to help you to be always in right track in your life. Hello friends, I am Aditya Das. I am a YouTuber and I live in Kolkata, India. In the end, thanks for watching this video and always stay connected with me. Thank you.